Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video is a quick tip video. I'm going to show you how to turn off your Pixel 6a. Now I know this video, some people might laugh at it, but if you're coming from a different device, there's 4 different ways you can turn off your Pixel 6a, and I just wanted to show everyone, how to do that. I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible and not talk too much, but let's get into it. But look at that beautiful chalk Pixel 6a. Again, shout out to Team Pixel for sending it to me. But here you go. Here's the beautiful thing right out there. Look, that screen is bright too. All right, so let's turn down the screen. Now, how you want to turn it off, or how Google is trying to make you turn it off now, is if you hold the power button and the volume up at the same time, or press it at the same time. Then it brings up their power options where you can turn it off, restart it, or lock it down. Who really wants to do that? That makes no sense to me. Now, in the other way, if you hold down the power button, it will bring up your Google Assistant, and you can just say, turn off phone. And it will bring up the same options that you have. So that was number 2. That's 2 ways you can turn it off. The third way, if you want to turn off your phone, is you swipe down again, and there's a little power button here, and you can get that same screen, turn it off, restart it, do whatever you want. But why not just have it as a power button? You can do that too, but you have to go into your settings and change it. So you go down to your settings. You want to go all the way down into System. You go into Gestures. Scroll all the way down to here where it says press and hold power button. Now, if you turn this off, so you won't have Assistants anymore. You won't have Google Assistant. If you press the power button, it will just give you the options to turn off your phone. That's the way I'm going to keep it. It's easy that way. If I want Google Assistants, I can just swipe from over to the left or right. So if you just hit the power button, hold it down. If I hit the right button, you have your power button. So that was just a quick tip video. Didn't want to make it too long. Hopefully this helped you out. If you learned something today, let me know in the comments. If it didn't help you in any way, hey, just leave me some comments anyway. I like talking to everyone in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.